Well, there's nothing healthier or tastier than meals prepared from the freshest local grown ingredients. The Colorado harvest is in, and now is the time to find the most delicious Colorado grown fruits and veggies at your farmer's market. Well, of course, we had to invite back Chef Christy Rost. She picked up a few things from her own garden as well as the Breckenridge Farmers Market, and here with some really tasty ideas. Welcome back.
Hey, Denise, thanks for having me. I love Colorado Company.
You're a sweetheart.
Thank you for having me.
So let's talk about Colorado produce. I know you brought us some good stuff today.
I did. I'm focusing in on Colorado apples today. And these are from the western slopes, so they're from Palisade. They are green McIntosh apples.
Yummy.
And of course, we're all familiar with the red ones, which tend to be very soft. They're tart but soft, and when you cook them, they turn into applesauce really quickly. So I instead am using these green McIntosh. I found them at the farmer's market and in Dillon, Colorado, which I'm up in Summit County. And in the meantime, I'm just seasoning.
Yeah, what are we making today? What are you cooking?
Oh, this is going to be sauteed in a cast iron skillet.
Okay.
Pork loin chops with a spiced apple compote.
I'm going
to have you do the compote while I do the pork chops. So this is sugar.
Do I pour all of it in?
All of that in. Give that a good stir until it dissolves.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'm going to take these chops, which I have just seasoned, put them in the skillet. You should always hear it sizzle.
Yes.
That means the skillet is nice and hot.
Did you just use regular oil for that?
I used a little olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
How's your garden doing?
Oh, my garden's doing really well. Yeah, I still have lettuces, mesclin, arugula. Oh, I have baby turnips.
In the high country still?
I know. This is the first year I ever made the baby, or grew the turnips, and they came out so cute.
Look at that.
They're like this big.
Wow.
And they have the purple tops. They're absolutely wonderful. And I used them in a beef bourguignon, and just last weekend, and they were so tender and all.
I'm coming for a visit.
Let's add the fruit. We've got dried apricots, cranberries, cherries. These are all dried.
Yes. Whoops. I got to get to the last drop.
No, otherwise
What's the last bit?
Golden raisins, and these are chopped up green McIntosh apples.
Okay.
Now, that takes about 10 minutes.
Just stir it.
And you just stir it and soften it up. In the meantime, I'm going to take, I've got 3 teaspoons of cornstarch here.
Okay.
I'm going to add just a 1/4 cup of apple cider.
Apple cider. Okay.
Right. And you always put the liquid into the dry, otherwise you get lumps.
Oh, see, okay, I did not know
that. And see, I just did a little bit to start.
Okay, we have about less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're good.
We'll add it all in there together.
We put it in there, and then you add this in, and this will help to thicken the that mixture.
I noticed you had a cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick.
Yes. So you don't break it up. You just add it in there for the flavor.
Add it just like that.
Okay.
And after about 10 minutes or so, it's ready to go.
Yummy.
So in the meantime, I've got this beautiful compote here.
Wow. So is that the final product of what I'm making?
And what we're going to do is, I can smell those.
Tilt it up.
And I'm going to actually dress these little guys up here.
On the pork chops?
I have some pork chops already.
Oh my gosh, I love this show. Woo! Where can we find all of your recipes?
My recipes are on my website at ChristyRost.com, and then you'll find some of my recipes also online, social media, my Facebook page, my Twitter account, and of course in my book, Celebrating Home. Now this recipe I created just for you.
You're kidding.
So it's not in any place yet, but it will be.
Oh my gosh, I feel so special. That's awesome.
For you, girl.
And this is like a dessert.
It really is. And do you know, I'm so glad you said that, because if you don't use it all on your pork chops, or it's really good on chicken as well.
Yes.
Then it is great over ice cream.
I was going to say that, vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream, coffee ice cream, butter pecan ice cream. It is phenomenal. It'll dress up. So if you have company coming, quick dessert.
Oh, you are so great. Thank you so very,
thanks
very
for
much.
having me.
We'll continue cooking. And remember, if you want to find all of Christy's delicious recipes in her book, Celebrating Home, it can be found online or in your local bookstore. You can also learn more about Christy on her website at ChristyRost.com. Please check it out.